We don't have enough laws. That is the easiest excuse to shift accountability from someone to something, and that is, of course, easier to live with. Because the moment we accept that it is we who must ensure the strictest legal compliance instead of only demanding for more stringent laws, we become responsible for keeping up the law and order that we demand and expect from the system. And then that story quickly turns into everyone thought someone would have done it because anyone could have done it, but then no one actually did it, so it never got done. Laws can compel a society to minimize harm. Laws can instill obligation but not fundamental human values. Laws can put a checks and balances system in place for when civility goes haywire. Of course, laws uphold the ethical code of the community. Laws are a reflection of the existing moral arch of the society. No doubts about it. But the justice system is not just dependent on the legislation and the people with degrees and designations to hold them accountable for the justice they deliver. The system includes the entire community. And no, this is not some imaginary idealistic chatter. This is the reality. It's the sadly denied reality. Fundamental problem is we think that we need a legal recourse for the slightest possible disagreements, every possible difference of thoughts, and we also need the system to intervene. We most definitely need the system to intervene whenever there is the harshest possible violation of human rights, threat to life and dignity, and for everything in between. And through this entire process, we want to claim an absolute right to privacy at all times throughout this entire process. Do you even see how impractical that is? If a human is strong-willed enough to cause harm to people and the world to the point of cooking up a story in their head to justify the hurt that they cause, no law can deter them. Law can only ensure the harshest consequence for the unacceptable human behavior when that unacceptable human behavior, the hurt inflicted, the harm caused, is proven beyond reasonable doubt in a court of law. Once that civility is restored by the justice system, it takes the collective accountability of the community, the collective conscience of the society to uphold, to maintain that standard of compassionate, inclusive community living. Reality check: the behavior that we exhibit, how we show up in the world to other people around us, marks the standard of what we are willing to accept from others. And the behavior that we choose to allow in our life, the social practices that we comply with, choose to comply with without questioning, sets the standard for what we are willing to allow in the world.